Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to on off auto rotate screen on Oppo mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you have to scroll down. So here you are going to find this display and brightness option. Just click on it. After you have been click on it, you have to scroll up and here you are going to find the auto rotate screen. Okay, so if you want to set this auto rotate screen or on this auto rotate screen, you just click on this icon. Here the auto rotate screen will be activated. Okay, you can set the auto rotate screen by moving the screen. Okay, suppose you are in YouTube and you can move on it and the auto rotate screen will be activated. Okay, so if you want to off, you just click on this icon again. Here the auto rotate screen will be set off. Okay, the on option is like this and the off option is like this. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.